Hi, my name is Andy, and this video is a short explanation of a project I've made here called Atmos. So what this project does is it's a playlist generator that takes advantage of public Spotify playlists. So what happens when this project is made in Angular, by the way. This is my home component here. You can see it's just a nice picture and a generate playlist button. Now when I click this button, what's going to happen initially is I'm going to use the HTML geolocation API to get the coordinates of your current position. And once I have that information, I'm going to push that into, or save it and push it into a open weather map API. And once you have the location into that API, you get back the current weather results, all the data of your current weather. And now what it does after that is I'm taking that information and associating it to certain Spotify playlists. This is pretty opinionated, whatever I think summer sounds like, or sun, or what I think rainy day sounds like. A lot of jazz, smooth coffee house jazz when it's raining. That's just what I think of. So there's in the back end, if you look at my code, you'll see that I have several different arrays associated for every potential type of weather description in the weather API. And it matches up the time of day, which I only have two set for right now, before 1700 and after 1700 to represent day and night. And then the weather, it'll give you back an array of a few different public Spotify playlists to play. So I'll just show you right here. It's displaying the information right here of the weather, and we got a playlist here to represent clear and that's that. There's not a whole lot of playlists that I put in there. I did put them in manually. In the future, to make that more diverse, I would get access to the Spotify API and maybe associate genres with types of weather. But it can still get a little different out there because genres tend to be blanket terms, so you can get all kinds of wide variety of music that you may not associate with the weather. But there's all kinds of tweaking and maintenance I could do on this project to make it better. I mean, there's a lot of possibilities. This is just the core I built in under a week. A minimally viable product.